Timeless elegance on slopes, explore luxury house design blending nature and modernity. Introduction. In a world where architecture often seeks to push boundaries, there's something truly captivating about designs that blend modernity with the raw beauty of nature. Today, we're diving into luxury house designs on slopes, where the elegance of contemporary architecture merges seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. These homes offer more than just breathtaking views, they represent a harmonious relationship between human creation and the natural world. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated on the latest architectural inspirations. Seamless integration with nature. Luxury homes built on slopes have the unique advantage of being deeply connected to their natural surroundings. Architects are no longer constrained by flat terrain, instead, they use the slope to their advantage, crafting homes that feel like extensions of the land itself. Large windows and open floor plans are key elements, allowing natural light to pour in and offering uninterrupted views of the surrounding landscape. The beauty of natural materials. When it comes to blending modernity with nature, the use of natural materials plays a crucial role. Concrete, wood, and stone are often favored, as they connect the home to the earth. These materials provide a tactile, grounded feeling, while their sleek and minimalist application ensures the design remains modern and luxurious. The rugged texture of raw materials complements the softness of the landscape, creating a dynamic balance. Architectural innovation on challenging terrain. Designing homes on slopes requires creative solutions. Architects often utilize multi-level designs to work with the incline rather than against it. These homes often feature terraces, tiered gardens, and outdoor living spaces that cascade down the slope, creating a flow between the indoors and outdoors. Such designs offer panoramic views, whether nestled in the mountains or perched along a coastline. Sustainability meets luxury. Sustainability is a key consideration in luxury architecture today. Homes on slopes are often designed to minimize their environmental impact while maximizing energy efficiency. Green roofs, solar panels, and rainwater collection systems are becoming staples in these homes, allowing homeowners to live in luxury while remaining conscious of their ecological footprint. These elements enhance the connection between the home and the natural environment. Open concept living for panoramic views. Luxury homes on slopes often feature open concept designs, where living spaces flow effortlessly into one another. This layout allows for the stunning views to be enjoyed from every room. Kitchens, dining areas, and living rooms are typically situated to take full advantage of the scenery, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering uninterrupted vistas. Modern minimalism and elegant simplicity. The modern aesthetic is characterized by simplicity, clean lines, and an emphasis on function. This minimalist approach is perfectly suited for homes on slopes, where the surrounding landscape serves as the primary decoration. Interiors are often understated, with neutral tones and sleek finishes that allow the beauty of nature to take center stage. Outdoor living spaces. Outdoor spaces are integral to slopeside homes, providing a seamless connection between the interior and exterior. Expansive decks, infinity pools, and outdoor lounges invite residents to spend time outside, enjoying the natural beauty around them. These outdoor spaces often serve as the perfect place for relaxation and entertainment, further enhancing the luxury experience. Natural light as a design element. One of the most striking features of slopeside homes is the abundance of natural light. By orienting the house to the slope, architects can maximize sunlight throughout the day, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Large glass walls and skylights are common features, bringing the outdoors inside and making the home feel even more connected to its environment. Luxury finishes for modern comfort. While these homes emphasize a connection to nature, they are by no means rustic. High-end finishes such as marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and designer fixtures are hallmarks of luxury slopeside homes. These features provide a sense of comfort and elegance, ensuring that the home remains a modern, functional space. Conclusion: luxury homes built on slopes represent a perfect blend of modern design and nature's beauty. By embracing the landscape, these homes offer both aesthetic appeal and environmental sustainability. From panoramic views to natural materials, they reflect the future of architectural design that prioritizes harmony with the environment. If you're as inspired by these designs as we are, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with more innovative architectural ideas.